Hey guys, NIC here with another daily recap. So it's another red day. This marks my second red day in a row if I'm not wrong. Um, yeah, I did. I would say I overtraded today. So I mean that's all I can say. But in hindsight, I chased a few, and some are just bad trades, and some are just losses that will come. So the only day I did not watch AC, as in basically after this 3 red day, I decided to remove AC from the watch list, and this is basically what happened. So the only day I did not watch AC, it decides to go up. Pretty brutal, and it's a nice $7 move around there. Yeah, so without further ado, first thing was AHPI was pretty nice, as you can see from the 5 minute. I got in here near the VWAP around 1169. Cause I see it slowly creeping up, was around 8% if I'm not wrong. So as it pops up at this area, I sold off half, and I decided to leave the rest into the open. So in the open on this area, I'm thinking this could be a pop and fade, so I sold out here. Then when it goes below the view up, so I really feels like this could be fading. I sold out here, but this is the full move. So I mean this is hindsight, so I'm not complaining. This is like about this area is around a dollar move, although I scaled it up 3 times, but no point. I mean, overall it's still a good move. I mean, winning is always better than losing. However, the full picture, who would have thought it went up to 15? Definitely not me, which is why I really got out here. However, it did hold pre-market high and went up, so I guess I was pretty. I'm too trigger happy today. I too cautious. My hands too weak. Got shaken out. Probably should have more confidence at this area. As you can see, that is the 50 EMA, and then there's the PMH, which is this area. So it's holding here pretty well. I should probably let it play more, let it run, since my entry is 1169. But I was, cause today there's basically, if let's say you have your scanner on today, it's really insane. Like all the scanners, all the knives, like shouting all the tickers. Basically, you could barely hear what's the name of the tickers. So there's a lot of knives today, so I want to be careful of it. I don't want to be caught on a hot down or anything. And as you can see, all this topping candle, I mean topping tail. So I decided this is the best move. However, a win is a win. Got me about, I don't know, 600, 700 from this AHPI trade. However, today I'm still down 770, and these are the reason why. Really overtraded. So yeah, I think I wrote here I FOMO. Yeah. So basically FULc went up. I was thinking like, oh man, I missed this move. And this was PMH. I mean this was pre-market. On this I was thinking it's pullback and it's going up. I added here, I just wanted to take a small 20-cent move or something like that. However, the high was 37. Yeah, I got in at 36. Yeah, I got filled at 36. So when it's curling back up, I didn't sell, but as it's going down from this line, as I got out here, then I was thinking this, after this fake out, this wedge I added here for it to maybe reclaim or retry the pre-market high. Didn't, so I got stop out here. Third time I tried again here, thinking it could bounce off the VWAP, and got stop out here. So 3 red trades here, however it's PMH, so I'm not so strict on it. Then comes FULc. This area, as it was crossing the PMH, I added here. Who knows, it fake out. Really disgusting fake out. Is like $1.40. Yeah, and second time I tried it here, for it to break the view up again, since it's still higher lows. But it bleeds out, so I'm like, okay, this stock's gonna die. So I sold out here, and thankfully I did. Pretty brutal, still down 770 today. Second red day, and ORPH was probably the last one. Like this is such a strong stock and I can lose money here because of this move. And I was thinking like, oh, it's looking pretty strong, holding the view up, so I added here and I got stop out here. Once again, I was too, this is just too, I guess all the losses got in my head. I just want to play really cautiously, and sometimes my stop loss is too tight, so I basically got stop out here while it continue make a 50-cent move. So these are the three tickers I did today. AHPI was a nice 3 wins, scaled out 3. FULc was a mess, 1 wrong, 2 wrong, 3 wrong, 4 wrong, 5 wrong. So basically all my losses came from FULc. AHPI gave me around 600-700 profit, but today I'm down 770, so that's how much I lose from FULc. Despite, I remember this area I played with a smaller position. However, as you can see, this basically shakes out all the stop losses. So I mean, on days like this, yes, sometimes stop losses could help you, but there'll be days and there'll be tickers that will kill you from the stop loss. So yeah, pretty ORPH claim 7, and as you can see, a stock that is up 34%, and I actually lost money from it. So AC, yeah, seems like this is typical AC stuff. It's probably done, but the only day I did not watch it, I will probably buy it around 20, so I could potentially get a $4 move here, but I did not trade it today, and this is what happens. So these three tickers, so yeah, FLGC pretty decent. It's always been under the radar. BTBT seems like, thankfully I didn't, it wasn't looking too nice pre-market along with food, so I didn't touch it. Probably not not the move for today. The ARL did hit 14, yeah, pretty nice. As of it seems like all these things are doing better, like PPD back to 85, 174. So yeah, just these three tickers, and basically, I would say actually this area I bought it wrongly. I was not gonna lie. I clicked bought. I was looking at MDIA chart, but I didn't know my IBKR was still on FULc, so I got in here. That's why it's, but I held it on and let it play out because since I'm already in, and I don't want to waste a bit, so I just thinking, hey, why not just let it play out? However, this basically just triggered my stop loss. So FULc, this buy-in, I wanted to lose it. I wanted to play MDIA around the same timing. I wanted to play, I think it was this area, I couldn't recall, but seems like it's okay, I guess. I mean, pretty similar. So that basically lost me 3 to 400. This basically lost me around 300. This misclick. So thanks to AHPI, if not, I would have a devastating red day today. So I mean, 770 is still around my daily limit that I allow myself to win or lose. Usually, I will set it around 5%. I mean, set it around 1,000. Ideally, either 1,000 profit or 1,000 loss, and I'll instantly lock out. So yeah, that's all for today's day recap. 3 nice retreat, 3 nice trade on the HPI, 5 awful trade on FALC, and 1 misclick. ORPH. So this is the thing I want to tell you guys. Like, if I mean, a lot of people would think, okay, sorry, I was still looking at the chart. Okay, I was saying that despite being up 30% from 550 to 710, and I could lose money, this is how it is. So don't feel bad. It happens to everyone, and Most importantly is clear your mindset. Don't worry about your win and losses. Do not carry over to the next day. If not, you'll be playing with a chip on your shoulder. You'll be wanting to. You will subconsciously be looking for the bigger moves. So you might be not making the best quality move. So yep, that's all for today's day recap. Better close this down before I hop in my AHPI to make another trade. So yeah, and actually I made a TD American trade account for around 2 weeks, 2 months. So hopefully I'll be getting that soon. I think that chart might be easier for you guys to see. Some of you, I heard from a lot of you guys are using TDA for chart, so you're pretty unfamiliar with Momo. So we'll see how it goes. Alright, that's all. And stay safe, trade safe, and peace. Boy, it's actually moving again, so could be potentially a bounce off view up. Would be worth watching if we can. Alright, we'll just close this off. Alright, peace.